Hello, this is Jack from Soholaunch, and today I want to show you how to set up a blog using the blog module in Soholaunch Ultra. Soholaunch Ultra features a pretty robust blog manager that allows you to make multiple authors and categories. First, I'm going to show how to add and edit details for additional bloggers and how to edit your own blogger details. So I'll go ahead and show you how to add additional authors. You may want to add an additional author besides yourself if you have other people in your company who will contribute to the blog. And you may also want to add an additional author if you have a guest writer who's going to contribute to your blog. So to add an author, you first have to make an admin user. So you'll go down to Global Settings and click Admin Users. And then you'll select Add New Admin User. And in most cases, if you just want someone writing for your blog, you'll give them permission to access only the blog manager. So you'll go ahead and check that. And I'll go ahead and add the user's full name. And you'll enter their email address. And then you'll enter their password. And the login details will get emailed to whichever email address you add into this box. So once you finish that, you will click Create New User. User should be created. So then we'll go ahead and edit the details for that user. We can go ahead and edit their photo, and if we need to, we can change their display name. So to change the details for this user, you go into the blog module and then click Authors. And you'll see that our admin user has been added below the default webmaster user. So I'll go ahead and add a picture for myself as the webmaster author. So I'll use a picture that I've added and then save the change. And Soholaunch Ultra will give the original admin just the display name for webmaster. This is the display that'll show up on each blog post. So if you want to just change your display name for the blog, you just click the link for webmaster and then add the display name that you'd like and then save the change. And then I can also add an additional picture for the second author, Ellie the sheepdog. So then I'll save the change, and you'll see that I've added the photos and the display name that'll show up alongside each blog post. So now that we've added our authors, we can start creating some blogs. So to do that, we'll go into Create Blog. To do that, we'll go into Manage. Before you create blog posts, you have to add categories for the posts. Soholaunch Ultra includes 2 categories built in by default: the latest news and special promotions. But I'm going to go ahead and add a category of my own choosing so I can show you how to do it. So to do that, you enter the category into the Create Category box, and once you've finished, you'll click Add Category. So now that we have a category that our post can go into, we can actually go in and start writing our first post. So to do that, we'll click Create New Blog Entry. So for each entry, you'll want to add a title, and then you can add the body content for the post. So I've just put in some filler text for example's sake. And then once you've written out your post, you will go to the list of options at the bottom of the post. So first you have to select the category you'd like it to go in, and I'll select the category that I just made. And you can also add tags for the post separated by commas. And you also have two additional options. You can allow visitors to comment. You can select that to allowed or disabled. And when visitors can comment, they can basically read your post and then add comments at the bottom of the post. You can also choose whether to display your post yet. If you have this on hidden, the post won't show on your live website. To have it show on the live website, you have to select it to publish. So now, since we've finished doing all the options, we can click Save Entry. And the article has been saved. So even though I have it set to publish, I haven't added it to a page on the website yet. So I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll go into Edit Pages. And I already created a page for the blog, just called the blog page. So I'll click Edit. And to add a blog onto the page, I'll grab the blog object and hold it down and then drag it onto a cell. And then you can select which blog category you'd like to appear. You can also have all subjects appear, but I'm going to go ahead and just have my food and eateries category appear on this page. So I'll select that and click OK. And then I'll save the page. And then when I view the page, it should show on my website. And you'll see that my photo appears and my display name that I selected in the authors area, and also the tags that I added. And here's the area for visitors to post comments. So thank you for watching this episode, and I'll talk to you again next time.